There are military medical providers who looked at service members' military records and said, hey, it's medically not recommended. It's dangerous for someone to take this vaccine at this time based on their medical history. And if they granted that exemption and the Department of Defense thought they were granting too many, their medical licenses and credentials were threatened. And that's even sets aside the issue with whether or not the FDA approved vaccine has even been available for military members. So people look at me like I'm exaggerating. They look at my clients like I'm exaggerating when I say this is a constitutional crisis. I don't know what else to call it when the Department of Defense is intentionally ignoring federal law with regard to the FDA requirement. You can't mandate experimental products on military members. And by choosing to ignore the Religious Freedom Restoration Act, they've forced individual military members to go into federal court to seek an injunction. That's extraordinary. It hasn't happened too many times in our history. Unfortunately, it did happen with the anthrax vaccine, and this feels like a replay to many of us.